Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which among the following statements is not correct about black soils in India? Option A, they are clay, deep and impermeable. B, they retain the moisture for a very long time. Option C, these soils have only developed in the higher areas of peninsular plateau. Option D, they are rich in lime, iron, magnesia and alumina. So you have to tell the correct answer. You have to tell the incorrect answer which is mentioned in the question. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option C. So these soils have only developed in the higher areas of peninsular plateau. So this is incorrect statement about black soil. So black soils cover most of the Deccan Plateau, which includes part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and some parts of Tamil Nadu. Hence option C is not correct answer. So you should know the types of soils, what is the property of soil and how many types are there. So this black soil type of soil is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. In 2021 prelims also UPSC asked one question about black soil, so you can check that also, and there was one question about soil in 2020 also, so you can check that question as well. So I am telling you that you should prepare this topic holistically from standard sources, NCERTs. So it is very important and it has a probability of repeating in upcoming prelims examination as well. So this was all about question number 1. So now here is question number 2. Consider the following statements in context of Central Highlands. First, the region of the Central Highlands has undergone metamorphic processes in its geological history. Second, Central Highlands are highly denuded and form discontinuous ranges. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So, you have to tell the correct answer. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So, this region has undergone metamorphic processes in its geological history, which can be corroborated by the presence of metamorphic rocks such as marble, slate, gneiss, etc. Hence, statement 1 is correct. About second statement, it is a classical example of relict mountains which are highly denuded and form discontinuous ranges. Hence, statement second is correct. So statement second is correct, and while statement 1 is also correct. So this was all about Central Highlands. So you can prepare this topic from standard sources and you can read more about that. So here is question number 3. Which of the following soils has a lower horizons occupied by the conker layers? Option A, saline soils, B, red soils, C, laterite soils, D, arid soils. So you have to tell the correct answer. The correct answer of this question is option D, arid soils. So, arid soils are generally sandy in structure and saline in nature. Due to the dry climate, high temperature, and accelerated evaporation, they lack moisture and humus. So, again, you have to read about other types of soil as well, like saline soils, red soils, laterite soils. So, you should also know what is kankar layer, khadar, bangar. It is pronounced as bangad, khadad and bangad. So you should also know that as well. So this was all about question number third. Now let us discuss question number four. Which of the following statements is not correct with reference to black fungus mucormycosis disease sometimes seen in news? Option A. It is caused by a fungus which is abundantly found in the environment. Option B. It is a non-contagious infectious disease. Option C. It often manifests in the skin and also affects the lungs and the brain. Option D. Antibiotics are used extensively as treatment. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option D. Antibiotics are not extensively as treatment. So actually in question not correct was asked, so option D is not correct. So antibiotics are used to treat or prevent some types of bacterial infections. They are not effective against viral infections such as the common cold and or flu. Antibiotics do not kill fungi. They kill the other types of germs called bacteria. In fact, you are more prone to getting a fungal infection if you take antibiotics. Hence, statement D is not correct. So, you should know the meaning of antibiotics and antigens and about so basic microorganisms as well, like bacteria, fungi, virus. As you are already aware about the virus which is often in news, that is coronavirus COVID-19. So you should prepare this theme of microorganisms from basic sources, from standard sources. So this is very important. In 2021 prelims, I think one question was based on virus and microorganisms. So you should prepare this topic very well. So here is question number 5, that is the final question of this video. Which of the following are direct sources of information about the Earth's interior? First, earthquakes. Second, volcanic eruption. Third, rocks obtained from mines. Fourth, meteors. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 3 and 4 only. Option D, 1 and 3 only. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. So the sources of information about the interior of Earth are divided into direct sources and indirect sources. So you should know what are the direct sources, what are the indirect sources. So this is clearly given in NCERT of class 12. So you can read about that complete topic from that NCERT. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.